Hello, I'm in a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your mirrors for the driver's side and passenger side. So from the driver's seat here, you should see a little knob here. If you're in the middle, it's off, but we want to adjust this left mirror, we'll turn it to the left, and then with this joystick, you can push up or down, left or right, and then you can see as I'm pushing up or down, left or right, the mirror is moving. So you just situate it like that so you get to the setting you want. And then if you want to do the right, same process. Now on the right, you just push up or down, left or right. And when you're finished, I would suggest leaving it in the middle so it doesn't accidentally get pushed while you're driving. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. And then also worth checking from the outside of the car. Make sure these are firmly in place so they didn't get jostled out of place for the actual unit itself. But otherwise, this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.